Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Twija and I am super glad to see you on my channel. If you're here for the first time, I make DIY videos for home decor. And if you love making them just the way I do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video. And without wasting a second, let's get started. Now, for this project, I tried to cover inside of the books with the green frog tape. This tape can be easily removable, and just because I'm not sure that I'm going to keep the cover or not, I just put the tape inside. So by any chance, if I want to remove the cover, I can remove it easily and without affecting the actual pages on the book. Then I found this felt cover in the dollar store. It comes in a pretty big size. It comes in a multiple shade as well. It's just that I went for the brown because it feels old and vintage. And in the old times, people used to have this kind of covers on the book, on the precious books. So I just went for this and cut the felt piece in the size of my book cover. I'm not really sure about you, but I've done that a lot in my childhood. Now, after that, the process is pretty much simple. You have to just attach the cover to the book, and just like we used to do in childhood, I have done that a lot. So you just have to glue that cover on the green tape. So by any chance, if you want to remove that, you're not going to harm this book cover itself or book pages itself. So it's very easy and convenient way to put the tape inside. So whenever you think that you want to remove it, it's easy for you. And after that, I cut the excess part, and here I was done. Then for the second project, that's a flip bowl candle. I'm pretty sure you might have seen this a lot, but again, I'm gonna repeat this. This bowl comes in a 3 pack in the dollar store as well. I just couldn't find the third one. I didn't need it as well. And I wipe them nicely and stick them with a glue gun. You can actually use a combination of E6000 and a glue gun. The combination is very strong and it's very durable. And once that was painted, once that was sticked, I painted them in a matte terracotta shade. It was a pretty good color that goes really well with any kind of decor, and I truly loved it. And I let that dry for about like 1 to 2 hours, and I used second coat as well on that. Now after that, I had this metallic gravels, which I got from dollar store as well. It's just a new came in the dollar store. I used that and placed the tea light candle in between, and here how I made it. And my third project is inspired from Lone Fox's video. I had this vase, I cleaned that nicely and put the masking tape, and I had this shimmering metallic acrylic paint. It's not kind of a full coverage, it's just that it gives the shimmer kind of a shine to the paint, and it's just that it stays there. You can still see the actual product inside. So I gave the 2 nice coats to that on my vase, and then I had this just a black color in which I just wanted to paint the rim with the black color so it can elevate the entire look for the vase. And then I used a Q-tip to even out the finishing, to even out all the mistakes that I made. And once it was done, I put the flowers inside, and yeah, here I go. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to engage with my channel by liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. That helps me to create my YouTube community. And once again, thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.